getting approved for American Express business card. It's pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can get approved for American Express business credit card. So every credit card have its own, special requirements that you need to fulfill in order to get the business credit card. So does the American Express business credit card has as well. So you just have to go to that, and then you, as you guys can see, you can check your eligibility. There is an eligibility criteria. You just have to, do these things. Make sure you are, you are following these things. Afterwards, you need to have some of the credibility score or eligibility score, which is identified depending upon your, spendings on the previous card. Suppose you had a credit card, you need to make sure to you have, paid your bills on time. If you did, you will have a good credit score and you will be eligible to, apply for business card. You just have to make sure to have a good score by paying bills on time, paying taxes, and uh, be a good customer to them, and they will you will automatically be eligible for business credit card. You just have to come to website and apply. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.